Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google Sheets local settings. So it's very easy to do, guys, and this can be very impactful for any Google documents that you're working on, because this can impact the way how you work with formulas, currencies, and so much more. So as we're in a Google Sheet document here, I'm going to show you how to quickly make these changes. So all you have to do once you open up that Google Sheet document, just simply click on File, and then you want to go down to where it says Settings. Here you'll have a pop-up box, and under the General section you have the Locale. Here it is currently set to the United States, but you can switch this to whichever country you want. And you just need to go ahead and choose whichever country you want, right? And once you do, as you can see here, that this kind of settings literally impact formatting details such as functions, dates, and even currencies. So if you're working with these things, by changing this to a specific country, let's say you want to do somewhere in Europe, or you want to do somewhere in one of those Arabic countries or wherever, depending on the country that you're going to select, you will see that there are certain functions that's going to change. There are certain currencies that's going to automatically take over as well. And if you're also interested in changing your time zones, you can also go ahead and change that as well. Very impactful. And you can also make changes to the language here as well. But that's it. Once you're going to make the changes, simply click on Save Settings, and that's all there is to it.